Hi buddy, welcome to answersQ. In this video, we'll be seeing some free personal development courses that are offered by Coursera. And the best part is you can also get a free certificate after completing the courses which we'll be seeing in this video. So before we see the courses, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly do that first. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that. So you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also visit answersQ.com website if you want to know more about free online courses, job offers, internships, workshops, and other online events. So let us get into the content now. Before we see the courses, I want to tell few things. First one is do not go to Coursera and search for this course directly in the search bar, because if you do that, you will not see this promotional banner. You have to use the link in description, and then only you will see this promotional banner, and then only you can get the course for free. If you do not see this promotional banner, you will not see you will not get the course for free. So make use of the link in description and get the course for free. And the next thing is the courses which we are going to see in this video, the personal development courses which we'll be seeing in this video are free only for a limited time. You have to take the courses before June 30, 2021. You can see that here. Offer is subject to change and valid through June 30, 2021. So make use of these free courses before June 30. So now let's see the courses. First one is Creative Thinking Techniques and Tools for Success, which is offered by Imperial College London. More than 1,57,000 plus students have already taken this course, and it has a good rating of 4.7. And if you just scroll down, you can see what you will be learning in this course and what are the skills that you will be gaining. And you can see more details like the approximate time taken to complete this course and the level of this course. So this one is a beginner level course and it's 100% online, and it takes approximately 20 hours to complete it. And if you just scroll down, you can see about the instructor and the institute which is offering it. And if you scroll down further, you can see the syllabus. So here you can see what are the things that you'll be learning in this course on every week. So they have given week by week complete detail. You can just click on see all here and even see what are the videos that are available for that particular week. So all the details will be given here clearly. You can just click on show more and see the details. So this is a 7-week course in which you will be learning a lot of things related to creative thinking. So this is the first free course, and once you go into the course page, wait for a few seconds. It will load and then you will see the promotional banner. As I said, make use of the link in description, then only you will get this promotional banner. So let's see the remaining courses now. Next one is Introduction to Personal Branding, which is offered by University of Virginia, and more than 2,26,000 students have taken this course so far. It has a good rating of 4.4, and this is also a beginner level course, and it takes approximately 7 hours to complete the course. And by taking this course, you will gain skills like personal branding, social media management, brand management. So you will learn about all these things in this course. Next one is Healing with the Arts, which is offered by University of Florida, and this course is also a beginner level course, and in which you have 13 hours content. If it takes approximately 13 hours to complete, it means you have 13 hours of content, right? And you will gain skills like music, art, meditation, visual arts. So you will learn about all these things in this course. Next one is the Arts and Science of Relationships, Understanding Human Needs. This course is offered by University of Toronto, which is one of the best university in Canada and in the world, of course. More than 1,35,000 students have taken this course so far. And let's see the duration of this course. So you have 32 hours of content for this course. And by taking this course, you can gain skills like psychology, assertiveness, communication, and you will learn how to build relationships properly. And if you just click on syllabus, you can see what are the things that will be covered in this course in depth. So this is the fourth one, right? Let's see the remaining courses now. Let's see the next one now, which is Demystifying Mindfulness. More than 1,93,000 students have taken this course, and this course is offered by Universiteit Leiden. It's given in Dutch language, I guess. It's offered by one of the university in Netherlands. It has a good rating as well, 4.8 rating. And this is also a beginner level course in which you have 35 hours on demand video, and you will gain skills like ethics, meditation, positive psychology, mindfulness, philosophy. So you will learn about all these things in this course. And before we see the remaining courses, I just want to tell you about this Coursera monthly plan offer, using which you can get access to all the courses, all the specializations, all the guided projects in Coursera platform at a minimum rate. So As we all know, Coursera is one of the best e-learning platform because the courses in Coursera are actually offered by top companies like Google and top universities like Stanford University, HEC Paris, John Hopkins. If you just see their monthly plan, you can get access to all the 3000 plus courses, and not only that, you will get access to guided projects, specializations, professional certifications, everything at just 4352 per month. But if you go for individual courses, you have to pay somewhere between 3000 to 6000. I will not recommend this. If you are looking to buy any course in Coursera platform, go with the monthly offer, because then only you can get a lot of things in 1 month, and you can save a lot of money as well. You can earn unlimited certificates. For example, let's say you want to learn Python, and you are taking 10 or more than 10 courses in Python. You can gain certificates for all the courses, no restrictions, no limits, and you can gain job relevant skills and tools. And there are more than 15 professional certification programs as well, which are actually offered by Google. Google alone offers 5 plus professional certifications, and there are some professional certifications from other companies like Amazon, Facebook. So you will get access to all those professional certifications as well. So if you want to buy any course in Coursera, go with the monthly plan offer. I leave the link in the description, make use of it. And if you want to support me in any way, you can use my link which I have given in description and take the Coursera monthly plan offer. Let's see the next course now, which is Mind Shift Breakthrough Obstacles to Learning and Discover Your Hidden Potential. This course is offered by McMaster University. Again, this is one of the most popular universities in the world. It's in Canada, I guess. And more than 3,52,000 students have taken this course, and it has a good rating of 4.8. And this is also a beginner level course, and it takes approximately 10 hours to complete this course. And you will gain skills like lifelong learning. You will learn about meta learning. So you will learn about all these learning techniques in this course. Let's see the next course now, which is how to write a resume. It's a project centered course. I hope students will find this course very useful. And more than 1,82,000 students have already taken this course, and it's a beginner level course, and it takes approximately just 5 hours to complete it. So you can you can learn how to build your resume in just 5 hours. So it will be one of the most valuable things for you in your life, because resume is one of the important thing in your career. It changes everything. So make use of this and get this course for free before June 30. Next one is exploring emerging technologies for lifelong learning and success. This course is offered by one company and two universities combined together. Sunny Online University at Buffalo, Binghamton University. So they are offering it together, and in this course you have nearly 4 hours of content, and it's a beginner level course. And you can gain skills like lifelong learning, creativity, emerging technologies, communication and collaboration, and you will learn about critical thinking as well in this course. uh, let's move on to the next one now, which is Sit Less Get Active, which is offered by the University of Edinburgh. More than 1 lakh students have taken this course, and this course also has a good rating of 4.6. And you can take this course for free now, and you can also get a free certificate. You have nearly 12 hours of content, and it's a beginner level course. And if you just click on syllabus, you can see what are the things that will be covered in this course. So this is the 9th course. Let's move on to the next one now, which is the last one, how to get skilled, introduction to individual skills management. So nearly 46,000 students have already taken this course, and by taking this course you will gain skills like career development, skills management, self coaching, goal setting, personal strategy. So you can learn about these things, and it's an intermediate level course. It takes approximately 9 hours to complete it, and you can just click on syllabus and see what are the things that you'll be learning in this course. Here it is. You can just click on show more and see all the details. So this is a 6-week course. So this is the last one. We have seen nearly 10 personal development courses in this video. I hope you'll find all these things useful, and I'll just show you how you can enroll in these courses. For example, let's take this creative thinking techniques and tools for success. To enroll in the course, first we need an account in Coursera. If you already have an account in Coursera, no problem. Just click on login and give your details and log into your account. You guys already know it. If you are coming to Coursera for the first time, just click on join for free, and then you will see something like this, sign up. So give your details like your name, email address, and set a password for your account, and then click on join for free to create your Coursera account. or else you can create your Coursera account with your Google or Facebook account. So whatever it is, first create your Coursera account and sign into your account. So let me log into my account and catch up after that. So now I have logged into my account. You can see that here, answersQ. So once you log in, you can see your name here. So now what you have to do is just click on this enroll for free button, and you can see that the purchase price is 0. So you don't have to pay for anything now, and you do not have to pay for a certificate or anything like that. You can complete the course and get your certificate for free as well. So it's completely free. You do not even need to spend a single rupee. So make use of this offer, and here you can see the course in which you are going to enroll in. And as I said, this is a limited time offer. You have to take it before June 30, 2021. So make use of it as soon as possible. So now just click on this go to course, and you will be automatically enrolled in the course. And after completing the course, assignments, quizzes, everything given in that particular course, you can just get your certificate. If possible, I'll just try to cover it in another video. I'll just show you how you can download your certificate after completing the course. So that's it. Just click on go to course and you will be automatically enrolled in, and then you will get to know everything. So I hope you'll find this video useful. If you want to get more details about free online courses, you can just subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also connect with me on social media channels like Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out.